Hey everyone, want to duplicate your Shopify store on a new account? Here's how to do it step by step. First of all, log into your original Shopify account. This is where you will export the important data from your store. Head to the product section. Click export to download your product information in a CSV file. Do the same for customers, orders, and any other key data you want to transfer. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes, click Actions, and choose Download Theme File. This saves your store design. Now, log into your new Shopify account, import the CSV file for products, customers, and orders by navigating to the relevant sections and clicking Import. To restore your store design, go to Themes, click Add Theme, and upload the downloaded file. Once everything is uploaded, review your store settings, test your pages, and ensure everything is functioning as it should. And there you go. Your Shopify store is now successfully copied to another account. Like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.